In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams to create a more connected and efficient workflow. We'll go through each step to make sure you can receive ClickUp notifications, search for tasks, and communicate seamlessly within Teams. This integration is designed to help you keep everything under one roof. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access the ClickUp App Center. Start by going to your ClickUp workspace settings. Once there, you'll want to navigate over to the App Center. This is where ClickUp keeps all its integration options, and it's essentially your one-stop shop for connecting ClickUp with the tools you use most. Now, in the App Center, let's locate the Microsoft Teams integration. You'll find it listed among other available tools. When you spot it, go ahead and select it. This step is crucial because this is the integration that will bridge ClickUp and Teams, bringing them together for you. Once you've located the Microsoft Teams integration, the next move is to connect your accounts. Click the Install button, and then you'll see an option to get it now. Click on that to initiate the connection process. At this point, you might be prompted to sign into both your ClickUp and Microsoft Teams accounts. If so, simply authorize the connection by granting the necessary permissions. This step allows ClickUp to interact properly with your Teams account, making sure everything's synced. A great feature of this integration is the ability to configure notifications, although this is optional. Within the integration settings, you have control over which ClickUp events will trigger notifications in your Teams application. For instance, you can opt to receive alerts for new comments, changes in task status, or when tasks are assigned. What's more, you can set up these notifications on a per-channel basis, so they're tailored to your workflow and preferences. If you want to enhance your interaction with ClickUp within Teams, you can also add ClickUp as a tab in your Teams channels. To do this, navigate to the specific channel where you want ClickUp to appear. Then click the plus icon to add a new tab. From the options presented, select ClickUp and link it to a specific view like a list, board, or task. This setup makes accessing ClickUp from Teams a breeze, helping you stay on top of your projects easily. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow by keeping ClickUp and Teams connected, allowing for seamless communication and task management within your preferred platform. Integrating these tools can enhance your team collaboration and keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!